Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about the International Pi Day. Before we start, a small request to all the new viewer of this channel. Please press the subscribe button followed by the bell icon to get all the latest updates from this channel. Pi Day is celebrated on March 14th around the world, since 3, 1, and 4 are the first three significant digits of pi. It is the symbol used in mathematics to represent a constant, the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter, which is approximately 3.14159. Pi has been calculated to over 1 trillion digits beyond its decimal point. As an irrational and transcendental number, it will continue infinitely without repetition or pattern. While only a handful of digits are needed for typical calculations, Pi's infinite nature makes it a fun challenge to memorize, and to computationally calculate more and more digits. Pi Approximation Day is observed on July 22 since the fraction 22/7 is a common approximation of pi, which is accurate to 2 decimal places and dates from our committees. On March 12, 2009, the U.S. House of Representatives passed a non-binding resolution recognizing March 14, 2009 as National Pi Day.
Pi Day has been observed, including eating pie, throwing pies, and discussing the significance of the number pi. Due to a pun based on the words pi and pi being homophones in English. Albert Einstein's birthday, which is also March 14th. Stephen Hawking passed away on National Pi Day. Indians were the first to observe that the perimeter, circumference, of a circle increases in proportion to its diameter. Therefore, our ancestors established the relation, perimeter by diameter equal to a constant. They didn't call it pi though. The value of pi was first calculated in India by Budhayana in 800 BC. In 800 BC, the famous Indian Budhayana mathematician calculated the value pi. Before Aryabhata and Pythagoras, Budhayana was able to explain the value of pi. He is considered as the earliest author of Sulba Sutra that contains calculation of the value of pi, Pythagoras' theorem, calculating square root of 2 and circling the square. Many important mathematical theorems have been explained by Budhayana Sutras, a Vedic Sanskrit text that contains important information regarding mathematics, dharma, daily rituals, and many other things. With Aryabhata, 476 AD, a new era of mathematics dawned in India. Aryabhata approximated pi is 62,832 by 20,000 equal to 3.1416. This was astonishingly correct to 4 decimal places, better than 22/7, which is correct only to 2 places. The Indian values of pi is root 10,62,832 by 20,000 were later included in Chinese and Arab's literature.
Madhava gave the value of pi to be 2,827, 4,333, 8,823, 3 by 9 into 1,011. This approximation yields correct value of pi to 11 decimal places. This value of pi is still in use in modern mathematics. Madhava also knew the Madhava series of pi by 4, which was rediscovered in Europe by Leibniz in 1673.
Pi, the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter, and this is just the beginning. It keeps on going, forever, without ever repeating. Which means that contained within this string of decimals is every single other number. Your birth date, combination to your locker, your social security number, it's all in there somewhere. And if you convert these decimals into letters, you would have every word that ever existed in every possible combination. All of the world's infinite possibilities rest within this one simple circle. Now, what you do with that information, what it's good for, well, that would be up to you.
Thank you for watching the video till the end. Keep watching, keep learning. If you like this video, please like and drop me a comment. Also, please share with your friends. Thank you.